Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Knowledge Catch. If you watched the first video, you already know what Python is and why it is so powerful. In today's video, we are going to take the next step. We will set up everything you need by installing Python and Visual Studio Code. You can start writing and running your own Python program. If you are ready to move from theory to actual coding, let's get started. First, open your browser. I'm using Google Chrome, but you can use any browser. Now, in the search bar, type Python download. You will see multiple results here, but always open the official Python website. Make sure the URL says python.organization because that's the official and safest source. Now, once the website opens, you will notice there are different download options available. Previously, we used the main recommended installer, the quick download button. But today, we are going to explore the standalone installer option. It starts download, and once you'll click that downloadable button, you'll get the wizard like install Python 3.14.4. Now you will see an option that says add Python to path. Make sure you check this box. But why do we do this? Path is basically a system setting that tells your computer where to find programs. When you add Python to path, it allows you to run Python from anywhere in your system using command prompt or terminal. For example, you can just type Python and it will start Python instantly. Now click the install button and it starts the setup progress, and we have to wait for a few minutes. Once the setup progress is completed, open the command prompt in your system and type Python space followed by two hyphens then version. Now you can able to see the Python version. If it is showed correctly, then the Python version is installed successfully. Next, type Python alone, then press enter. You see the symbol which means Python ready to run the code. Let's create our first program. Print followed by hello world. You will get the output as hello world. Now we're going to download the VS Code. Google it and type the Visual Code Studio. You'll get the official link. Just click it and start download. So if you are using a Windows or OS, you can choose according to your OS and then start download the VS Code. Once the download is completed, you'll get the wizard and you have to choose the agreement, then next, then choose the location, then next, then make sure you have chosen the path here also, and if you want desktop icon you can just click it, and once it is start downloading, here you think why we use VS Code instead of command prompt. Now you might be thinking, if I can run Python using command prompt, why do I need VS Code? Here is the reason. Command prompt is very limited. We can run programs, but you can't really write, manage, or debug code efficiently. VS Code, on the other hand, it is a full of IDE that makes coding much easier. Once installation is completed, open the VS Code and click the new file. Then you can start your first Python program. Type print followed by hello Python programming. Once you complete the code, you have to save your file. So you can use the shortcut or you can choose the save as button from file and then start save your Python program. So by giving any file name, you just want to save it. Once it is completed, now we're going to execute the code. So you have to click the execute button, that is run button, and you can check your output on the terminal. Now you can check your terminal. We can get our output as hello Python programming. Congratulations, you have just written and executed your first Python program in VS Code, and that's it. You have successfully installed Python. Set up VS Code and run your very first program. From here, you are ready to start your journey into programming and build amazing things step by step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more beginner friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching. Happy coding!